Tonight, look up at the sky. Imagine the moon is gone. No explosion, no warning, just empty darkness. What would happen to Earth? Would we even survive? The answer isn't instant destruction. It's something slower, and possibly worse. If the moon vanished, the first thing we'd notice is the sky. Nights would become dramatically darker. The full moon is bright enough to cast shadows. Without it, rural areas would experience near total darkness. But the real consequences wouldn't be visible immediately. They would begin in the oceans. The moon controls most of Earth's tides. Without it, tides would shrink to about 1/3 of their normal strength, influenced only by the sun. Coastal ecosystems depend on tidal movement. Coral reefs, tidal flats, marine species, entire food chains rely on that rhythm. Within months, ecosystems would destabilize. Fisheries would collapse. Coastal economies would suffer. But that's just the beginning. Here's the part most people don't realize. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt. Right now, our axial tilt stays around 23.5 degrees. Without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth's tilt could begin to wobble dramatically over time. Not tomorrow, but over thousands to millions of years. The tilt could swing between 0 and 60 degrees. Imagine seasons so extreme that parts of Earth experience permanent summer, while others freeze for decades. Climate would become chaotic. Ice ages could come and go unpredictably. The moon also slows Earth's rotation. Without it, Earth's spin would gradually speed up over geological time. Days would become slightly shorter. This wouldn't happen instantly, but the long-term balance of Earth's system would shift. The moon isn't just physics, it's culture. It influences calendars, religions, poetry, navigation. Human civilization evolved under its glow. Suddenly, losing it would feel like losing part of reality itself. The sky would feel wrong, unnatural, empty. Life would not instantly end, but over millions of years, the unstable tilt could create extreme climate cycles. Biodiversity would struggle to adapt. Civilization would face unpredictable environmental shifts. We might survive, but Earth would no longer be the stable world we know. The moon isn't going anywhere anytime soon. It's actually drifting slowly away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters per year. In billions of years, Earth and Moon will evolve together. But a sudden disappearance? Almost impossible. Still, the thought experiment reveals something profound. Our planet isn't isolated. It's part of a delicate gravitational partnership. The moon may look quiet and distant, but without it, Earth would be a very different world. Next time you see it rise, remember that silent companion is one of the reasons life exists here at all. If you want more cosmic scenarios explained with real science, subscribe.